So, nandito ako ngayon sa paggawaan ng sliding window kasi nga magpapa-install ako ng window ko sa aking bahay. So, tara check natin guys. $5,000 lang na yan.
Ingal na ko si ate. Sa 4x6 na sliding, magkaya.
4x6 man to, no?
Okay, 4x6 na po. Ha?
3 hours later.
13, 14.
Sila ka blade.
14 blades.
14. Dere 14. 14, 14? 14 dere.
47, yan.
Pila yung 10 blade te?
36.
I mean pila tong ihatag sa ko ay 680 man.
680 kung 10 blades.
Kung 10 blades. Kini ka ano naman ni siya?
14 man eh.
14 taas pang kayo.
68.
Standard na sa sliding dyan.
Oo, pang sliding siya mga work ba? Sige din, sliding. Hawa yan.
2 weeks later.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand, together we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to fall to find out what to say. No more hate. Just admit that you're just afraid. Time to let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place. If we can just find a way, then we can live a better day. Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all, let's build a dream. Just admit that you're just afraid. Let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place. If we can just find a way, then we can live a better day. 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 Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all. All together, one and all. All together, one and all. Let's live a better day.
It's midnight, we're going all night. Can you pass a drink to get the vibe right? Don't feel like having a Bud Light. How's tequila with some salt and lime? Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking, doing just fine. Can I say that you're looking real nice? We'll have to chat right now before I get high. When you gaze into my eyes, I feel like I'm on cloud nine. You bang harder than 4th of July. I think I can go all night, yeah. The way you bite your lips, blush and smile you give. You're just so stunning. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something special made me think about you. About you, rest assured. When I think out loud, there's always a crowd. Smoking heavy cloud, feeling good right now. People sitting by the wall and they're leaning. Somewhere lying on the bed, lucid dreaming. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something really special made me think about you. About you. About you. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something special made me think about you. About you, you, you. About you, you, you.
So, eto na siya guys. Nalagay na siya, na-install na yung sliding window sa harapan. Ito yung magiging room ko, kaya medyo nilakihan ko siya, di ba? At least maganda siya tingnan. And then, yung size nito is 4x6. 4x6. So, ito siya. May kasama na siyang screen. Hindi ko alam kung kita nyo ba. So, ito may screen. Ito may screen siya. Ano ba yan? Hindi pa siya pwedeng galawin daw kasi medyo kalalagay lang. So, ito siya, yung price pala nito is nasa 5,000. 5,000 pag 4x6. Pero pag normal na, standard na size lang ng window, like 4x4, nasa 3,200 daw. So, dito na side, hindi ko nilagyan ng sliding. So, pinalagay ko lang is yung Jalousie type. So, ang Jalousie type is per blade. Per blade is 680 pesos. So, ito siya is nasa 14 blade each. 14 blade. And then, dito din sa kabila, 14 blade. And then, Dalawang window siya. Eto, dalawa. So, nasa ilang blade ba? 14 times 4. Basta gumastos ako nito sa dalawa, nasa 3,800. So, itong dalawa muna yung inuna ko. And then, mga after 2 weeks yata is dun sa living area dito sa kabilang side. So, by after 2 weeks yata or next month is palagyan natin ng sliding window. So, check natin sa labas kung ano yung hitsura niya. So, yan siya. So, yan. Yan yung hitsura niya sa labas. Diba? So, dun sa kabila, siguro mga after 2 weeks pa yata. So, yun na nga, napakita ko na sa inyo. And then, samahan nyo ako next time dahil konting-konti na lang talaga guys at matatapos na yung bahay na pinaghirapan ko.